Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be making origami pants. I will use regular size printer paper, but you have to cut it into 10 by 20 centimeters, 10 by 20. If you have a colored piece of paper, the colored side should go down. This will be our final product. This will be the pants. I also made a coat. I'll teach you guys how to make one in my next video. With that being said, let's get started. Our first step is to fold in half horizontally. We're going to unfold, and we're going to fold the two edges to the middle line. So it should look like this. Now we're going to rotate it and fold this edge to the bottom edge. Okay. Now we're going to take this top edge and fold it to the middle line. Okay. On both the sides. Okay. Now unfold. And you're gonna fold this inwards. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Okay, just make sure it's even. And now we're gonna fold this bottom flat and fold it upward to about here. Okay, we're gonna crease it. We're gonna do the same thing on this side. Okay, now we're just gonna fold this here and the other side here. Just reinforce. And this is our origami pants, guys. Like this one right here. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe. That really helps my channel a lot. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye, guys.